butcher box has arrived.
Got nothing but premium cuts in here.
Alright, let's check that out.
Got ribeyes and filet mignon.
Let me see the
we got
receipt.
Bonus stuff too. We got premium steak tips and salmon.
Nice, nice, nice.
What's this?
I don't know.
I don't know what this thing is.
Figure it out.
Hey, maybe I should read this first.
I think that's a good idea.
Cook is known. Okay, I'm gonna have to check this then. I actually have to see if the meat is still cold or not.
Okay.
They're saying if it isn't, if it's still frozen.
40. It has to be 40, right?
Look at those fillets. Those are nice.
Still frozen.
Yeah, so if it's still frozen, it can go in the freezer. It's saying.
Perfect. Oh my gosh, so much in here. A bag of ice.
Look at all that salmon, man. This was free.
Let me see.
All this salmon was free. Wild caught
Nice.
salmon. Look at that. 2 pounds of salmon.
Very
That's some
good.
good stuff right there.
Thank you, Butcher Box.
Yeah, these filet mignons, man. It's like Christmas.
Like Christmas. How many filet mignon?
There should be 2, 4, 6 filet mignons.
Okay.
So we got 2, 4, 6. Oh, that's right. They were sending 2 free ones on top
Oh
of
my
that.
god, plus the salmon free.
I know. Look, there's 2 bonus ones here. So we actually got 8
my
filet mignons.
God.
8 filet mignons. These must be the steak tips. Yep. Grass-fed beef premium steak tips.
Okay.
And these are all the ribeyes.
How many? 4?
Yeah, these are big.
Oh,
No, actually,
really?
there's 6. There's 6 ribeyes.
You have meat for the 5 minutes.
I know. It's crazy. Look at all this meat.
I mean, it's only the 2 of us, but if it's a big family.
That's dry ice. Holy
Yeah.
shit, I've never had dry ice before.
Okay, we all set? We gotta put everything in the freezer?
Yeah.
Alright. Cool.